welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Shauna the MUA, and today I'll be doing a review on the new Selena Gomez foundation, Rare Beauty. I know I'm kind of late. It's been out for probably a few months now, but I've been hearing all these reviews, all these good things about this foundation, so I really just wanted to try it out for myself and see if it's something that works for me. So if you would like to see what my thoughts are on this foundation, keep on watching. First, I'm only doing my face makeup. I'm just going to keep this review very short and sweet and to the point. So I am going to prime my face with the Fenty Pro Filter primer, and that's just because I did already try this out, and I feel like I got a little oily, so I do want to keep myself matte, being that I am going to be outside. So I want to make sure that I'm not going to be too greasy. And then I'm just going to blend that out. And I'm just using tapping motions. This foundation definitely gives a light coverage. So if you are looking for something that is full coverage, that's definitely not going to be this, but it does proclaim to be a foundation elixir that feels barely there while building coverage and boosting your natural glow. It definitely states to shake well, which I didn't really do. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. It's definitely very lightweight. It doesn't feel like there's anything at all on my skin. It definitely gives me a glow. I do see that. So that claim of having glowy skin and barely there, that is definitely true. So as you can see, my face is glowy. I am going to use a Fenty Beauty concealer. Some there and on my nose. Do a little bit of highlighting. And I'm just going to blend that out. And I did get the shade in 430 Warm. You know, especially since summer is coming up, or spring, I should say. I do tend to be a little bit tanner. I live in Miami, so it's always hot, and I'm always out in the sun. So I went ahead and used the Fenty, and now I'm going to set my face with the Huda Beauty powder. Use this one. I didn't really highlight too much. And today I'm not going to use a cream contour. I'm just going to use my Fenty bronzer. And that is going to be in, actually, I'm going to use a little bit of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation powder. Just going to use a little bit just to set my face. So you guys saw how my face was before I set it with this. That way you can really see how this works. This is in Coconati. You know, this is my usual. Just kind of bronze. And then I am going to put on, I've been loving the new e.l.f. Well, this probably isn't new, but the dark palette from e.l.f. I've definitely been loving this blush palette. It's really been my go-to. I'm just mixing the pink and the brownish tone. Next, I'm going to add some highlighter, and I am going to use the Fenty Glow and the Diamond Balm. Diamond Glow. Diamond Balm, that is the name of it. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my cheek. I am going to do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back. This is my final look. I am wearing the new Morphe palette, the Sweet Oasis, which is I Love Sarahi, her collection with Morphe, and this is the palette. I will say, I'm just going to give a brief review on this as well. I will say that this palette is beautiful. I like how it goes from neutrals to pinks to the blues here. It's very color coordinated. You could definitely get a lot of looks out of this. I just did a simple pink look. Just because I'm wearing pink, I wanted something a little bit more natural because I am going to change outfits. But yeah, I am loving the foundation so far. It is more lightweight, so if you are someone that don't like to feel makeup on your skin, you like it to look natural, you don't want it to feel like makeup, this is definitely the foundation for you. It gives a beautiful finish, as you can see. It's not really a matte finish, it's more of like a satin finish. It goes on very glowy, so if you don't want to set it and powder it down, you could probably just wear it as is. But I always say, you know, if you're going to use a liquid or a cream, you need to set it with powder, that way it doesn't shift around. I did also use a more mattifying primer because I don't want it to be as shiny, being that I'm going outside. So that's another thing. I did wear it another day and I did get a little bit oily, and I used the e.l.f. Putty Primer, which isn't that mattifying. It's you know, a regular primer is kind of similar to the Tatcha Silk Canvas. So yeah, this foundation retails for, I believe, $29, which isn't bad. That's like the normal range for a foundation, so it's not as pricey as some other brands. So it's definitely a good buy, and you get 1 fluid ounce. So I do like also the applicator. It kind of reminds me of a concealer like the Shape Tape or any other concealer. It has that same wand, so you could just quickly apply it. You don't have to worry about using a foundation pump or getting it messy. Just pull it out, apply it on your skin, and that's that. So I do like the actual packaging of the foundation. So yeah, if you guys would like to see more reviews like this, or if you would like me to do a review on this palette or do a look, definitely look out for some of my Instagram content with using some of these shades. I think it's a very good palette to have if you don't have some of these colors. I, for one, do have a lot of these colors, but because it's I love Sarah He, since it's her collection, her collab, I did want to get it because I do like her as an influencer. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell, that way you know when I upload a new video. Bye guys.